Principles of accounts to those who are writing in 2020 under what you call the source documents. Okay, so with the source document, let us talk about the books of prime entry, or rather the subsidiary books. Okay, so according to the question, they're saying for the table below, write the missing documents or the books of prime entry to match them. Okay, so we must get to understand that this question it was provided for marks in an exam, and we really need to kindly understand the questions very well. So according to the original credit note, here we are simply talking about when at all you are given the original credit note, meaning you purchased some of the goods, then the goods they were what returned, right? That is when you are given the original credit note. So according to the books of prime entry must be what you call the purchases retains journal, or the purchases retains daybook. That is the book of prime entry. Okay, so the other name of purchases retains daybook, it is also known as the retains outward the returns outward journal, or the returns outward daybook. Okay, so that is it. If you talk about journal, you're simply talking about the daybooks. Okay, so here it is original credit note. So the answer is supposed to be the purchases, the books, the goods which were bought and then returned. Okay, the purchases retains daybook, or the purchases returns journal. Okay, so that is it. So according to this part, we are currently recording the books of prime entry, or the subsidiary books. Okay, so according to the second one, they say we should fill in where we don't have the source document. Then according to the books of prime entry, we have sales retains journal, which is the same as sales retains daybook. So we must get to understand to say with the source document for sales retains daybook, guys, it's something that is very simple. It is the duplicate credit note. Are we getting the point? Okay, very good. It's a duplicate credit note. If it wasn't a returned, if it was just sales journal, we would have written what? The duplicate invoice, just like that. Okay, so we are going to say it is the duplicate credit note from there. Okay, so meaning the goods which were sold were now returned. So we are going to say it is the duplicate credit note. Okay, so that is it. Then thirdly, we have a check, which is the source document. Okay, so don't forget that in the cash book, it is where we record the cash and the cash and also the bank things relating to the check. Okay, so we must get to understand. So in the cash book, it is divided into single column cash book where cash transactions are being recorded only. Then we have the two cash column book where we have the both cash and bank statement pertains to check are being enclosed. Okay, then apart from that, we have also the three cash column book where we record cash, the bank, and also the discount. Okay, so according to this, since this is part of the check as part of something relating to the bank, so we are going to say it is the cash book. Specifically, it is what you call the two cash column book. So it's better you just write the cash book. Okay, so according to the cash book, it is one of the books which kindly gives out something pertains to the source document, which is the check. Okay, then we have the sales journal. As I mentioned, the sales journal, the function, the source document applies to be the duplicate invoice, or rather the duplicate invoice. That is what you call the source document for the sales journal from there. So it is an invoice which is duplicated. Okay, see, an invoice which is the duplicate invoice, the duplicate invoice. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so that is the way on how you answer the questions pertains to what we call principles of accounts. Please, if you want to learn more about these things about the sales documents, don't forget to upload the videos on my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to like and go subscribe. This has been a tutor, Mr. Arabi. Bye bye.